G'day, here's a couple of pieces of Koroit boulder opal from central Queensland, the rules in millimetres, materials wetted. The white that you're seeing there's the light reflecting off the water. This piece got some nice colours in it there, and this area. It's where the outside of the nut, where the saws broke through. Just left it like that, so you have to grind it down. The other piece basically got an eye colour here on the end. There you go. Nice pattern. So grind down here. See what you end up with. So it's a saw cut. This is a broken face where it's been broken off. The end of the knobby's been broken off. Anyway, what they look like, I hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.